How to obtain a new IP address in order to prevent traces of your online activities. Let's start by typing CMD in the search bar and running command prompt as an administrator. Releasing and renewing your IP address can potentially boost online anonymity by obtaining a new IP address from your internet service provider. The ipconfig release command instructs your system to relinquish its current IP address. Type ipconfiguration, which is a built-in Windows command line utility for managing IP configuration settings. Release tells the system to release the IP address assigned by the DHCP server. On executing the command, your system disconnects from its assigned IP address, effectively making it unavailable for communication on the network. The network adapter will temporarily show as having no IP address. The IP configuration renew command requests a new IP address from the DHCP server. Type ipconfig renew, which requests a new IP address for the system. The system sends a DHCP request to obtain a new IP address. The DHCP server responds by assigning a new IP address to your system. Look for the section corresponding to your active network adapter, which could be wireless LAN adapter if you are using Wi-Fi, or it could be Ethernet adapter if you are connected via a wired connection. IPv4 address is your new local IP address. You can use the IP configuration command to confirm your new IP address. Type ipconfig. Obtaining a new IP address reduces traceability of your online activities and removes any cache DNS that could reveal activities.